These are so freaking cute. What's good with the chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing another pair of baggy shorts. This time we're not going to be adding any elastic. We're actually going to add drawstrings. So that's what makes this video different from my other baggy short videos. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be working with this pink plaid flannel fabric that I got. I'm going to lay this out, and I also got my baggiest shorts, and we're going to make some super baggy shorts. Lay our fabric flat. We are just going to take our shorts that we're going to use as a pattern or a template, whatever you like to call it. We're going to lay that as flat as possible on here as well. On the top, we want to make sure we are adding, about 2-3 inches for the waistband part. And then also we need enough around the edges for the seam allowance. I'm also going to make these a little bit longer than these actual shorts. So I am going to be cutting, a little bit further down. So we're just going to take our scissors. We're going to cut out our first panel here. So when we take this off, we have our first panel of our short. Now we're going to take this panel and mirror it on to some more fabric. Now that we got that laying flat, now we're going to cut out this piece. All right, now we got our front 2 panels cut out. Now we're going to cut the same exact 2 panels once more. But we do have 4 of our panels, so our 4 main panels. We have the back pieces, and then we also have the front pieces. Next, we are going to cut out is our pockets. And I usually always freehand my pockets. So if you guys don't know how to freehand, I definitely suggest getting a pocket pattern or tracing another pocket that you do have. What I do is I just kind of lay my hand flat onto the fabric. I'm going to show you. I like to lay on a straight edge, my hand on fabric, and just kind of making a loop around, kind of like an oven mitt almost, just without the thumb. Just kind of looping it around and cutting it out. So for the pocket, we do want 4 panels total. So 1 of these will mirror it and then do the same exact thing for the other side of the pocket. So it's not the prettiest, but it always works for me. So now that I got my first panel cut out, I'm just going to mirror it and we're going to cut. All right, next for the drawstrings, I'm going to use the strip of fabric that I have left over, and I'm going to cut probably this by 2 inches by however long this is. This is for sure more than 60 inches. I want really long drawstrings, and I'm going to make 2 different drawstrings. And this is about 85 inches long, so I'm going to do 85 by probably 2 inches each. All right, so we have all of our pieces cut out. We have 2 drawstring pieces, very long. We have 4 pocket panels, and then we have 4 front and back panels. So front, back panels. Now we get to start sewing everything together. Starting with the both front panels and the both back panels, we're gonna start sewing together. So let me show you exactly how I'm gonna do that. But let me show you how I thread my machine first. All right, so now that we got our machine threaded, we are just gonna grab our front panels that we mirrored together. We're gonna mirror them, line everything up, and we are gonna sew the crotch to the waistband, or the waistband down to the crotch. It doesn't matter the rotation, but we're just gonna make sure this is sewn together. We're gonna start with a straight stitch, and then we're gonna top it off with a zigzag stitch. So we got our first, either front or back panel, does not matter in my case. But we have our first one connected, something like this in the front, something like that in the back. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing for the other panels, so the 2 leg panels. All right, so now we have our front and back pieces sewn together. Now we are going to start attaching the pocket. We're gonna do that by laying both the front and back panels together, line everything up, take our pocket panels, and we are going to find where we want these to lay. So we gotta keep in mind our waistband, where that's gonna go. Think something like that. And I want my pockets just right under that. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up, and place my pockets right sides together inside this. And we're going to place, so the pockets are kind of right side with the short panel. So now we're going to go ahead and clip, And we're gonna measure this and do the same thing to the other side. Clip, clip. Now that we have those clipped, now we're just gonna take each of the panels. We can separate them, and we are just going to sew the pocket pieces. So the top of the pocket all the way down to the bottom of the pocket on all 4 pocket panels. Okay, now that we got our pockets all attached, now we are going to attach the front and back panels together by just placing these flat and putting them right sides together. And then we are going to sew from the top of the waistband to the top of the pocket, all the way around the pocket to the bottom, and all the way down to the bottom of the shorts on both sides. All right, so now we got that all attached. Now we are probably a little bit more than 50% done. All we got to do now is gonna close up the inseam, or the middle. Are going to hem the bottom, and then obviously add our drawstrings to our waistband. So let's get it. We're gonna start by closing up this middle just by lining up the 2 seams. We can clip here. We're gonna sew from the crotch down to one side of the bottom of the shorts, and then come back up from the crotch down to the other side of the shorts. Now that we got it all closed up, I'm gonna go ahead and hem the bottom of the shorts. So this is what they are looking like so far. I hemmed the bottom. Now we're gonna actually turn them on. I wanna try them on and see what they look like so far. The last thing we have to do is just make our drawstrings and attach it to our waist. Look how big these are. These are coming out super, super cute. Look how big they are. Once we get the drawstrings in there, they're gonna be nice and baggy, and they're gonna fit just right. But super, super cute. We have some work left to do, so let's get to it. All right, moving to our drawstrings, we are going to kind of treat them as if we, like our purse straps that we did if you didn't watch my last video. We're gonna fold this in half, press it with our iron. Now we are just gonna we're gonna open it back up, and we're gonna fold each side into that middle line. And we're gonna fold that in half again. And we can press. Now it looks something like this. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take it over to the sewing machine and sew all the way down. We're gonna do 2 different lines. So one on the right side and then one on the left side. All right, so we got the straps all sewn. They look something like this. Nothing too perfect or nothing too fancy, but they're gonna work for drawstrings for sure. I did just check, and for some reason I thought I had like the little garments or eyelets or whatever they're called that I was gonna use. Found out I don't, so we're gonna have to improvise. We are going to hem our waistband just like how we did the bottom of our shorts, and then we're gonna add holes. And I think I'm gonna put the drawstrings on the side instead of the front. So we're just gonna go ahead and hem this, create 2 little pockets for our drawstring, and hopefully it just comes out cute. So I pressed this down. Now what I'm gonna do is sew, obviously, the waistband all the way around. However, on the sides, I am just gonna cut 2 holes, my drawstrings to go through on both sides. So I cut my slits. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this drawstring tool that I got in a drawstring kit, feed my drawstring in, and go ahead and feed it around the whole shorts. Just like that, we have our drawstring fed through, and now we are done. Just like that, we have a cute pair of baggy shorts with drawstrings. So I'm gonna show you what they look like on, but you can definitely use the drawstrings. So cute. Let's try them on. Yeah, don't mind the scraps that I have on the floor. These are so freaking cute. Pockets on the side. These are extremely baggy. Drawstrings, I love how long, I love the length. I can kind of even them out, but these turned out super cute, and I can't wait to wear these to Lala. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be These shorts are super comfortable. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, make sure to smash that like button. stay positive in the course. I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.